has written No Dominion. This is in the English sonnet form of poetry.
No dominion. Cruel sickness has me in death's grip at last, though fierce I rage against the dying day. Unhurried time now spins her web too fast. My unfed hopes and dreams are wriggling prey. There are uncertain hours for us to act, to seize and treasure all that we behold, to freely give without concern for tact, to beat down pride and tell what must be told. No longer in the world of daily strife, my vision is made pure. I would endure this going as the coming of my life, could I but hold you in my arms once more. Bend in your silent suffering down to me and whisper dreams of immortality.